Could tune-up avoid unexpected breakdowns, expensive repairs, and keep your ride feeling brand new? In this video, we'll break down what a tune-up really is, why it matters for your car's health and your wallet, the dangers of neglect, how often you should get one, and what gets checked. Before we get into it, here, at Mr. Naxxes, we bring you real practical car knowledge DIY tips, smart upgrades, and must-know info every driver should have. Whether you're fixing it, buying it, or just want to understand it better. What really happens if you skip a tune-up? It might seem harmless at first. After all, your car still runs, and you save a little time and money. But under the hood, small issues are quietly building up, waiting to catch you off guard. It's a lot like ignoring a small leak in your roof. At first, it's just a drip, barely noticeable. But over time, that drip can turn into a flood, causing damage that's far more expensive and difficult to fix than if you'd acted early. In your car, small, inexpensive problems like a worn belt or a dirty filter can quietly grow into big, costly headaches. What could have been a quick fix now threatens your entire engine. Take spark plugs, for example. When they're worn out, they don't ignite fuel efficiently. This leads to incomplete combustion, which not only wastes gas but also sends unburned fuel into your catalytic converter, slowly destroying it. Suddenly, what could have been a $100 tune-up turns into a $1,000 repair bill. Neglecting maintenance can multiply your costs in ways you never expected. A clogged fuel filter is another silent culprit. It forces your fuel pump to work harder, straining it until it fails. Now, instead of a simple filter change, you're paying for a new pump and labor. This is the domino effect of neglect. One overlooked issue triggers another, and soon you're facing a cascade of failures that could have been prevented with routine care. But it's not just about money. There's also your safety. Misfires and stalls can happen without warning, especially in heavy traffic or at intersections, putting you and others at risk. Imagine your car stalling in the middle of traffic or losing power when you need to merge onto a busy highway. These situations are not only stressful, they can be downright dangerous. Skipping a tune-up is more than just a gamble with your wallet. It's a risk to your car's reliability, your schedule, and your safety on the road. And let's face it, cars have a knack for breaking down at the worst possible moments, like late at night or far from home, when help is harder to find. Don't let a minor warning light or a strange noise turn into a major headache. Addressing small issues early keeps your car running smoothly and gives you peace of mind. Preventative care, like regular oil changes, filter replacements, and inspections, is always cheaper and safer than emergency repairs. It's an investment in your car's future. Don't take unnecessary risks. Take pride in caring for your car, and it will reward you with reliability and safety for years to come. A little attention now saves a lot later. That's the bottom line. Your car, your safety. Think of maintenance as an investment, not just an expense. Every dollar you put into caring for your car today can save you hundreds or even thousands down the road. It's not just about keeping your car running. It's about making sure it runs better, lasts longer, and costs you less in the long run. A tune-up saves you money at the gas pump. A well-tuned engine is more efficient. When your engine is running smoothly, it burns fuel more cleanly and effectively, meaning you get more miles for every gallon. That's less money spent on fuel and fewer trips to the pump. Fixing a car that's out of tune can improve mileage by 4% or more. That might not sound like much, but over the course of a year, those savings really add up, especially with today's fuel prices. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash in your pocket. Over a year, that's real savings. And it's not just about fuel. Regular maintenance helps you avoid those surprise breakdowns that always seem to happen at the worst possible time. The big savings come from avoiding major repairs. Replace a $100 spark plug set now, or pay $1,500 for a new catalytic converter later. Small, affordable fixes today can prevent huge, wallet-draining repairs tomorrow. A $20 air filter protects your engine. It keeps dirt and debris out, helping your engine breathe easier and last longer. Neglecting it can lead to expensive engine damage that's easily preventable. A $30 fuel filter saves your $500 fuel pump. Clean filters mean your engine and fuel system don't have to work as hard, reducing wear and tear and extending the life of critical components. Every tune-up part protects something more expensive. Each small part you replace is like an insurance policy for your car's most valuable systems. It's a chain reaction of savings and reliability. Preventative maintenance is always cheaper than emergency repairs. A little time and money spent now can spare you the stress and cost of being stranded on the side of the road. Regular tune-ups also boost your car's resale value. When it's time to sell or trade in, A well-maintained car stands out from the crowd and commands a higher price. Buyers pay more for a well-maintained car with service records. It gives them confidence that the vehicle has been cared for, and that means more money in your pocket when you sell. That's money back in your pocket. It's a reward for your diligence and a return on your investment in maintenance. Add up fuel savings, avoided repairs, and higher resale value. A tune-up pays for itself. The numbers don't lie. Maintenance is one of the few car expenses that actually pays you back. It's one of the smartest financial moves you can make as a car owner. You're not just saving money, you're protecting your investment and your peace of mind. Don't wait for problems. Invest in your car's future. You'll thank yourself later. Every time your car starts smoothly, runs efficiently, and saves you money year after year. How often should you get a tune-up? Check your owner's manual. It's your best guide. Modern cars often go 100,000 miles before needing major tune-up items like spark plugs. But don't ignore other maintenance. Filters, oil, and fluids need more frequent attention. Listen to your car. Rough idling, poor mileage, or a check engine light are signs it needs help. Severe driving, short trips, heavy traffic, extreme weather means more frequent service. Follow the severe schedule if that's you. Be an engaged car owner. Follow the book, but also trust your senses. Stay alert, and your car will thank you. A tune-up isn't just old-fashioned tinkering, it's a vital health check for your car. It ensures your engine gets clean air, pure fuel, and a strong spark. Every step from spark plugs to filters keeps your car running smoothly and reliably. Tune-ups restore performance, boost safety, and save you money. Neglect is a gamble you're likely to lose. Check your owner's manual, but also listen to your car's signals. Find a certified, trustworthy mechanic and build a partnership. Don't wait for a breakdown. Be proactive. Schedule a tune-up if it's been a while. It's one of the best investments for your car and your peace of mind. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Because at Mr. Nax, your car knowledge equals your power. Drop a comment if you have questions or want to see something next. Share this video with someone who drives. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, drive smart.